Hey guys, it's Jamie from Currys, and today we're going to show you 3 things that we love about the Google Pixel tablet. It can be used as a hub for the entire home, it's really fast and powerful, and it integrates seamlessly into the Pixel ecosystem. I'm going to take this over to the lab now to look at it in a little bit more detail. This isn't meant to be just another tablet, it's designed to be a central part of the home. It's got a charging speaker dock for when you need to charge it and you're not using it, like that. And it's also got a built-in speaker for blasting out your tunes. Plus it has hub mode, which gives you all the best bits of a smart display when it's locked and docked, and you can also use it as a digital photo frame, not to mention tapping this button here where you can control all of your home stuff. And it also works as a smart speaker with Google Assistant, so you've got hands-free help wherever you need it. Hey Google, set a timer for 15 minutes. And the speakers on this thing are absolutely amazing. Hey Google, play Beethoven. Everything that you do on here is made possible by the Google Tensor G2 chip. It packs plenty of power, you've got seamless streaming, efficient multitasking and more. It slots neatly into your existing Pixel ecosystem so you can connect devices like your earbuds and your phone. I'm going to show you how to do a nearby share now. Take a little photo of the tablet, tap there, hit share, and that's it. If you'd like some more info on this Google tablet, visit us in store, head online or chat to one of our tech experts on Shop Life Video Call.